So today I'm going to make my favourite snack, which is chocolate bliss balls. These are a staple in my home. I always have them in the fridge, sometimes even in the freezer. You only need a few ingredients, about 10 minutes to put everything together, and you're good to go. It's that simple. So what you'll need is half a cup of sunflower seeds, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, whiz them up. It's just nice to break them down a little bit first. And you add the rest of the ingredients, which is 10 medjool dates, make sure they're pitted, third of a cup of desiccated coconut, third of a cup of raw cacao powder, and a third of a cup of water. And that's it. It'll form a sticky mixture. If it's too dry, you can put a little bit more water in it. So all you have to do now is grab about a tablespoon worth, roll it into balls, and then roll it into some desiccated coconut, and you're good to go. If you'd like to see more, subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends.